Hope everyone is doing fine. Well, as you can see through my cam, the water is flowing. Mm, it's because it's a small nala. It is overflowed. It is overflowing, by the way. That's the reason the water is gushing with a speed. Uh, and it is because of the rain. The water has filled and it is overflowing. It is connected to a dam by name, I don't know the dam name correctly. Maybe they have opened all the gates, dam gates, which was stored water. It is overflowing like this. See guys, and even the water is filled in the nearby homes, if you can see clearly. I think the view is not clear, but let me adjust my cam. As you can see, I'm nearby to this area. Okay, this area is called Sun City, where I have taken out this cam video. The people who are nearby to this got affected. They vacated in the last night itself. It's a morning view, but maybe they shifted to some other place. Okay, it's a condition, I would say. The people should first learn how to react to the situations. That's the reason they evacuated very early. So it gives a clear message, guys. The problems are everywhere, anywhere, and we have to switch anywhere, everywhere. Okay, and we have to be very safe. We have to think for the future. We cannot predict the future, but we can think it, we can imagine it. Okay, so that gives a clear and loud message. You have to be very disciplined regarding the future, and the future can decide, I mean the